Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived. It influences first impressions, property value, and overall pride of ownership. One often overlooked feature that can significantly enhance exterior appearance is window design. For homeowners in Pell City, awning windows offer a stylish and practical way to elevate curb appeal while also improving functionality and comfort. A distinctive look that adds architectural interest. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a clean, modern profile. From the exterior, their horizontal orientation adds visual balance and architectural depth. This subtle design difference helps break up flat wall surfaces and gives homes a more dynamic appearance. In Pell City neighborhoods, awning windows work well with a variety of home styles, from traditional to contemporary, adding character without overpowering the existing design. Complementing home exteriors with versatile design. One of the strengths of awning windows is their versatility. They can be installed on their own or paired with larger fixed windows to create visually appealing window groupings. This combination adds dimension and symmetry to the home's exterior. For Pell City properties, these configurations enhance curb appeal by creating a cohesive and well-designed facade that feels intentional and polished. Enhancing natural light without sacrificing style. Awning windows allow natural light to enter while maintaining a streamlined exterior look. Their compact design makes them ideal for areas where larger windows may not be practical, such as bathrooms or kitchens. From the street, the consistent placement of awning windows creates a uniform appearance that boosts visual appeal while still maximizing interior brightness for Pell City homes. Modern appeal with practical benefits. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about perceived quality. Awning windows suggest thoughtful design and modern functionality. Their outward opening design indicates advanced engineering and attention to detail. For Pell City homeowners, installing awning windows communicates that the home has been updated with both style and performance in mind. Improved ventilation that supports exterior design. Awning windows allow for ventilation even during light rain, thanks to their top-hinged design. This feature enhances interior comfort while maintaining a clean exterior profile. From the outside, awning windows remain visually appealing whether open or closed, preserving the home's polished look in Pell City neighborhoods. Energy efficiency that enhances property value. Well-designed windows contribute to both curb appeal and home value. Awning windows seal tightly when closed, helping improve energy efficiency. This combination of visual appeal and performance makes homes more attractive to potential buyers. In Pell City, energy-efficient features paired with modern design can significantly enhance overall property appeal. Low-maintenance appearance that lasts. Awning windows are designed with durable materials that resist weather-related wear. Their finishes maintain a clean, attractive appearance with minimal upkeep. For Pell City homeowners, this means long-lasting curb appeal without frequent maintenance or repairs. A smart choice for Pell City properties. Awning windows play an important role in enhancing curb appeal by adding style, symmetry, and modern character to a home's exterior. For Pell City properties, they offer a balance of visual impact and practical performance, making them a smart upgrade for homeowners looking to elevate their home's appearance and value.